I've created this paper on Classpad.net to give you an easy resource to calculate your statistics on data, even if you don't have access to a calculator with statistical functions. So the main thing is you're going to enter your data here in column A. Ignore B. I wasn't able to get rid of it for some reason, so I'm stuck with column B, but all our data is going to go in column A. You can change numbers if you want. You can do whatever you like, all right? The main thing is that once you get all your data entered, you highlight the column, and then you come down to click Calculation and one variable, and you're done. Now you can only see 2 lines right here, so go ahead and click on More, and then there are all the information you should need. It also includes mode. Note that if there's more than one mode, you will see 2 line items there. All right. Don't worry about mode N and mode F. We won't be touching that. So the 2 modes for the data here are 3 and 4. There's your average, the sum of x, the sum of x squared, sigma of x, S of x, and so pretty much anything you need.